Chimneys. We're not talking Mary Poppins, we're talking charcoal. You're basically talking about a short metal cylinder with a grate probably this far from the bottom, a couple inches. It's strictly for airflow. You'll put your kindling underneath that grate, again, for airflow reasons, and then your charcoal will go on top of the grate, leaving you with, 10 inches or so full of charcoal. It's held within that cylinder, and the flame naturally rises up, and it's got the air holes in the bottom that help it to do that, so it generally catches all of that charcoal very quickly and very evenly. You're usually lit and glowing crazy hot red in about 10 minutes. As far as safety goes, there's a couple things to keep in mind. Always wear high heat gloves and always light your chimney on a non-combustible surface. The high heat gloves will help. It's a little freaky looking the first time you pour your charcoal in. The sparks will kind of come back a little bit. It's nothing to be totally freaked out about. I'll admit I was kind of shaking in my boots. Mary Poppins. Again, not Mary Poppins, charcoal.